The early morning silence of the eastern Ukrainian front was shattered by a thunderous roar as the elite AZOV Brigade launched a sudden, ferocious assault on Russian trenches. Under the cover of smoke and artillery fire, Ukrainian soldiers advanced with deadly precision, their every move calculated and relentless. The attack marked one of the most daring close-quarters operations in recent weeks. As drones hovered above, streaming live footage to command posts, the Azov fighters crept closer to Russian positions. The moment the first grenades landed, chaos erupted. Russian troops scrambled for cover, but the Ukrainians were already inside their defenses, moving trench to trench, eliminating every resistance with brutal efficiency. Witnesses described the attack as lightning fast, a coordinated storm of bullets, explosions, and shouts echoing through the smoky battlefield. The Russians, caught completely off guard, tried to mount a counterattack but were quickly overwhelmed by the intensity of Azov's offensive.
Боевой порядок. Давайте, парни, всем удачи.
Держак, вы выдвинулись?
Плюс принял. Плюс, движение.
The Ukrainian assault teams used a combination of FPV drones, grenade launchers, and automatic rifles to devastate the entrenched enemy. Each movement was synchronized through encrypted communication, showcasing the brigade's elite training and combat discipline. Every second counted as they raced against potential reinforcements. Panic rippled through the Russian ranks. Soldiers abandoned their positions, some stumbling through the mud, others desperately trying to fire back. But escape was impossible. The trenches, once their refuge, became their trap. Azov drones hunted them relentlessly, hovering low before releasing deadly payloads. Each explosion sent debris and shrapnel flying, turning the narrow trenches into pits of death. As the operation unfolded, Ukrainian artillery in the rear continued to pound nearby Russian strongholds, preventing reinforcements from reaching the shattered trenches. The thunder of shells echoed for miles, shaking the ground and adding to the terror of Russian troops trapped in the crossfire.
Экипаж танка целый, как принял?
Экипаж танка целый, это факт, подтверждаю, экипаж целый.
The Azov Brigade's motivation was clear: reclaim every inch of occupied land, no matter the cost. Commanders reported minimal casualties on their side thanks to superior tactics and timing. Every move had been meticulously planned days in advance, guided by drone reconnaissance and satellite imagery.
Vete de aquí!
Makar, enderezate por favor. Joder.
Some Russian soldiers attempted to surrender, calling out in broken Ukrainian. Azov troops cautiously accepted their surrender, securing them under armed guard while continuing the assault on remaining positions. For others who resisted, the end came swiftly and violently. The captured trenches revealed a grim sight: abandoned rations, discarded ammunition, and hastily dug graves. The smell of smoke and gunpowder mixed with mud and blood, marking the aftermath of one of the fiercest clashes in this sector. The cost of war was written on every inch of the battlefield.
Вон там, понял? Выйди на узнай за мурафу, она чистая.
Надо сейчас вызывать эвакуацию.
Military analysts across Ukraine hailed the operation as a masterclass in modern warfare. The AZOV Brigade had demonstrated not just brute strength, but unmatched coordination and tactical intelligence. Their ability to combine drone strikes, ground assaults, and psychological warfare had broken an enemy that once claimed its position was impregnable. The message was clear: no Russian trench was safe anymore. Russian communication lines were in total disarray. Reports of panic, confusion, and mass retreat flooded intercepted radio channels. Some commanders had fled before their men, others were out of contact entirely. The AZOV Brigade took advantage of the chaos, sending reconnaissance units further ahead, preparing for the next strike. The momentum of battle had shifted decisively in Ukraine's favor. The assault on the trenches will go down in history as one of Azov's most brutal and successful operations. It was a display of courage, strategy, and unrelenting determination. Amid fire and fury, the Ukrainian warriors stood unshaken proof that no amount of Russian fortifications could stop their advance. In the blood-soaked mud of the Eastern Front, the spirit of Ukraine burned brighter than ever before.
Крий. Плюс, пішла мощно. Укриття! Граната! Проблема.
As evening approached, the battlefield fell eerily quiet. The echoes of explosions faded, replaced by the crackling of fires and the distant hum of generators. Ukrainian troops dug in, fortifying their newly captured positions.
Стараюся пройти. Зліва замішаний рух. Ротний, Олі, до мене. Бійниця, блядь. Справа бійниця, справа зліва.
Smoke rose in thin black spirals, drifting over destroyed bunkers and craters filled with debris. The once defiant Russian line was now nothing more than a field of ruin. The air was thick with the smell of burned gunpowder and scorched earth. Ukrainian medics moved among the fallen, tending to their wounded comrades, while others gathered ammunition and weapons left behind by the enemy.
Gatito, ven, control.
El tercer asalto, brigada, ha capturado completamente el pueblo de Andriivka. Gloria a la nación, muerte a los enemigos.